The Rotem EMU, also known as K-Train, K-Stock, is an electric multiple unit that operates on the MTR Rapid Transit Railway system in Hong Kong. They were jointly built a consortium consisting of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries of Japan and Hyundai Rotem of South Korea, and come in two variants. Those delivered for the Tseung Kwan O line now, but from 2002 to 2009 used on the Kwun Tong line, and those delivered in 2006 to 2007 for the Tung Chung line. In 2003 and 2004, the urban line trains ran on the Tsuen Wan line, Island line and Tseung Kwan O line. The K-Stock trains are different from the R-Stock trains to be built by Hyundai Rotem for the future North-South corridor, which were ordered by MTRC on 14 December 2012. As 37 9-car sets and will enter service on the current East Rail line in 2018. Tseung Kwan O line stock. The first of the 140 KEC 651 cars entered service in late April 2002. Originally, these trains were designated to serve on the Tseung Kwan O line, but incompatible signaling apparatus installed in the new trains' running mode rather than the traditional automatic control system found in the M-Stock meant that all of the K-Stock trains were initially unable to serve on the Tseung Kwan O line. As an alternative, all of those prototypes were ordered to serve on the Kwun Tong line. They have since been moved to the Tseung Kwan O line with the extension to LOHAS Park in 2009 and the subsequent arrival of the newer C-Stock on the Kwun Tong line. Since it is much heavier than the older M train, it does not have any cars similar to D cars in M train. The K-Stock is similar to the first trains used on Phase 1 of the Delhi Metro in India, which were also designed by Mitsubishi Rotem, but built by BEML through a technology transfer arrangement. The configuration of a TKL K-Stock train is eastbound AC/BBC/BCA, westbound. Maximum train speed is 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour, but with the max speed of 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour. On service currently, maximum starting acceleration is 1.3 meters per square second, 4.27 feet per square second, 4.72 kilometers HS, or 2.93 miles per hour per second. Maximum service deceleration rate is 1.35 meters per square second, 4.43 feet per square second, 4.86 kilometers HS, or 3.02 mile per hour per second. Emergency deceleration is 1.4 meters per square second, 4.59 feet per square second, 5.04 kilometer HS, or 3.13 miles per hour per second. This modern train is equipped with a modern 2-level 3300 V1200 AIGBT insulated gate bipolar transistor VVVF inverter from Mitsubishi Electric Tung Chung line stock. The first TKEC 6522-04E train came into service for MTR in 12 June 2006 to 26 February 2007. Originally MTRC wanted to buy new additional trains for the Tung Chung line when the North Island line project began. MTR anticipated that the opening of the Disneyland Resort and in Gongping 360 would have an increase in passenger demand and therefore ordered 4 new trains for the Tung Chung line. The time frame from order to completion is short in comparison to other stock. However, the 4 new trains can only be made to be identical to existing Tseung Kwan O line K-Stock. The configuration of a TCL K-Stock train is westbound VZXYWXZV. Eastbound. Maximum train speed is 140 km per hour, 87 miles per hour, but with the max speed of 135 km per hour, 84 miles per hour. https://www.hyundai-rotem.eng/business/rail/business_record_view.asp. Brid equals 27. On service currently. Maximum acceleration is 1 meter per square second, 3.3 feet per square second, 3.6 kilometers (HS), or 2.237 miles per hour per second. Maximum service deceleration rate is 1.35 meters per square second, 4.4 feet per square second, 4.86 kilometers (HS), or 3.02 mile per hour per second. Emergency deceleration is 1.4 meters per square second, 4.6 feet per square second, 5.04 kilometer (HS), or 3.13 miles per hour per second. This advanced train is equipped with a modern 2-level 3300 V1200 AIGBT-VVVF inverter from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Media related to K stocks. MTR. At Wikimedia Commons. 1. Spec sheet.